Samson Cherargei ni Kogokera Obobui Obochori Oboke werete CHINGAKI anekia Obobui nigo wengerete serikali ya broad-based okwana nigo anekia banani ya serikali eroberete wikira n'obusibo Obochori obonene asinonya nabo agikeria bali batemete guturubania Obochori obwe.
Thank you. From the onset, I want to congratulate all the winners of yesterday's by-elections across the country, from parliamentary to wards by-election across the country. One thing is I am happy that majority of the seats, or all of the seats, were won by broad-based government. That is what is important. Of all the 7 parliamentary seats, United Democratic Alliance, UDA, and ODM won all the seats across the country. This is a clear testament that Kenyans have belief and faith in the broad-based government that is led by His Excellency President Dr. William Ruto. As a member of United Democratic Alliance, this is the party to be, and this is a clear testament that in 2027 nothing will change. The president will be re-elected overwhelmingly because our opponents, who are majorly disunited opposition, have never succeeded to sell any serious agenda. The agenda they have been selling is hate, ethnicity, tribal animosity, division across the country. And therefore we are excited as a broad-based government, and it has proved many critics of broad-based and the President William Ruto's government wrong. And I'm surprised that a number of colleagues are saying there is a narrow win. A win is a win in politics. Even if you lose, in politics there is no number 1 or 2 or number 3. Politics, the only winner will be declared. So number 2 is fact, I want to appeal to IEBC. I know this is their time, their first time to be in office. This is the first major election they have done across the country. I think the lessons, they should pick those lessons from what transpired yesterday. I hope in future, and I want to encourage Kenyans that our future elections should be devoid of any electoral malpractices, issues of intimidation, blackmail, bribery of voters. I hope the lessons the IBC, led by the chairman of the commission, Mr. Ekudon, that all these issues that we saw yesterday, the issue of efficiency, we should make it be sure. Another factor, I think our election is still expensive. We must sit as a country and see how we can make our elections less expensive. Anybody, and I want to appeal to IBC, DPP, and DCI to move with speed and arrest anybody who participated in electoral malpractice. One of the cases is that we saw the former Attorney General, J.B. Muturi, yesterday attacking a voter, and I'm happy media captured the moment. I am surprised and baffled that the police are yet to arrest him. Yet that one was a clear aggravated assault and election malpractices. What we saw in anywhere across the country, be Malava, be Kaspool, be across anywhere, even in awards, the IBC, the DPP, and DCI must move with speed and ensure anybody who participated in electoral malpractices are brought before the law and they are charged, so that we make our elections as free, fair, and transparent and peaceful. And that is the grand